In front of me is iPad 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Voice Memos app and hitting continue. Then select whatever you want to in the pop-up and click on this red button at the bottom left corner to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it and tap on play button. You can also skip it 15 seconds each way. To replace one of your recorded fragments, just pick a chosen one like that, hit replace at the bottom left corner and start recording. If you want to undo what you did, click on the top left corner. To manage all available settings, click at the top right one and manage all of those. And to end it and save it, hit done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to name it now, click on new recording and type in whatever you want to. You can also do that later on. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To manage it, use all of those options at the top. To play it, click on it and use play button. And to get rid of it, just click on it and tap on pin icon at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!